Hey guys, what's going on? This is Joshua Elder, training number 3, module 1. And in this module, we're going to talk about the introduction to affiliate marketing. This is a topic that I'm so passionate about talking about because it's what changed my life. When I realized that I didn't have to create my own products, I didn't have to be the guru, I didn't have to be the expert, I didn't have to be the salesperson, that I could actually plug into somebody else's sales material, just completely change and transform my life. So I want to talk a little bit about affiliate marketing and how it can benefit you and why it's my number one recommended way to start building your business on the internet. So first off, affiliate marketing, you probably already know what it is. If you don't, it's just simply earning a commission by selling somebody else's product. So let's talk about why affiliate marketing. Typically, if you're creating your own product, it's going to require a lot of skill sets. It's going to require, time and effort in structuring your product, structuring the training material, shooting the videos. It's going to require creating the sales material and the sales videos and knowing how to sell, knowing how to create funnels, and knowing how to influence people and get people to buy your products. It's a long road and it takes a lot of time to perfect. So, this product is a perfect example. This tube traffic selling system took hours upon hours to plan and create and perfect and give to you because I wanted it to be the best, traffic generating product that teaches people how to generate traffic with YouTube. So I wanted it to be, the best of the best, the cream of the crop. So one of the great things about affiliate marketing is the fact that you don't have to worry about creating your own products. You can also earn up to 75% per sale. So you're probably wondering, why would these product owners, pay that much money? Well, anything that reaches beyond their own efforts is just a bonus. So that's why they're willing to pay so much, because it incentivizes you to obviously promote their product, and everything that they make in conjunction with their own efforts is just a bonus. Especially with digital products, there's very little to no overhead, and so they can pay a lot more commissions per sale. You don't need to know anything about sales like I talked about before. You don't need to learn about influence and read books on psychology and be on video all the time and create sales videos and worry about the testing and the tweaking and the tracking. And, the great thing about, the company owners is they take care of all that. They've got the experience. They've got the expertise. They've hired the staff. They've done all the things. The customer support. You don't need to worry about any of that stuff. They've taken care of all of that for you. Most companies have a 24/7, customer support staff that they're paying for, that you don't have to worry about paying for. Obviously, they do have a big incentive to do all this stuff themselves, because especially if they're the owner, they get to keep all of the money and then also hire affiliates like you and I to be able to reach even more of a bigger market and really enhance and expand their efforts. So that's why I would choose affiliate marketing if I were you and I were getting started in, this industry. I think it's by far, the easiest way to start making money. It's like riding a bike. You start with the training wheels. And once you get used to those training wheels and get used to how the bike feels and how it runs, and once you gain a little bit more confidence, then you can take those training wheels off and you can start sort of creating your own funnels, start slowly creating your own sales materials and replace it with the sales materials of the company, and then eventually create your own products and replace your own products with a company product. So that's definitely the long-term play. And, that's something my vision is to help you get to that point to where you are creating your own products. You do have your own brand, that your influence reaches beyond just selling somebody else's product, get you to a point where you can leave a legacy. And, that's one of my goals, especially, in the future with my products, my programs, is to help you get to that point where you're not 100% reliant upon somebody else, their compensation plan, their, marketing tools and things of that nature. They're merchants. There's a lot of things that go into, you know, you know, creating your own processing for money, and having to get merchants and dealing with chargebacks and dealing with a lot of these different things that you don't know that you will deal with when it comes to owning your own business and running your own company. So one of the great things is you don't have to deal with any of those headaches. You plug into the already proven sales material and the high quality products, and you just simply send traffic and convert those leads to sales. So that's what's great about affiliate marketing. That's why I highly recommend it. Now, the products that you should promote, what I would highly recommend is digital products in the form of information. Obviously, this product that you're going through right now is an information product. Again, I explained in the last slide, little to no overhead. People can instantly download it, digest the information at their own pace, and get instant access without waiting for something to be delivered in the mail. All right. Another way that you can make money with affiliate marketing is promoting CPA products. CPA means cost per action or cost per acquisition. So you can actually get paid for somebody simply taking an action, whether they fill out their email address. You'll get paid maybe $2, $4. It can range anywhere up to dozens and dozens of dollars, because these companies that you're promoting for, they know what an email is worth to them. They know what a name and a phone number is worth to them. So whether you're capturing a name, a phone number, an address, or an email address, they will pay you just by simply capturing leads, and not necessarily by having somebody buy a certain product or a certain service. So that's what I love about CPA products, is you send the traffic, you convert the traffic. A lot of times, they might sign up for a trial, they might just enter their name and email address, and you can get paid a lot of times without them even entering their credit card information. So to this day, I still do, some CPA marketing and promote CPA products. So that is a great way to make money. So let's go ahead and let's stop this video right here, and let's now move on to the next training.